Saan pa kami titigil?
Nasa na po yung ating wang-wang?
Paging Jeff. Maiiwan po kayo dito sa sound system, sa court natin. Jeff, Lucas, maiwan po kayo dito. Kayo po ang maiwan sa table.
Pwede kami sumali sa badminton. Jackstone. Jackstone. Kayo ha? Jackstone. Sabay ba kayo? Ano ka, manager ka? Hindi ka pwede qualified ka na. Overqualified. Overqualified. Hindi na tama na. Sali ka na. Tayo. Oo.
Black team.
Bansot wala akong nakuha sa akin.
Orange team, nadalawa lang sila. Ako ang yellow team. Red team, parating na ang red team.
Mga sakula po.
Good team ang pag-picture taking man. Yan po ang blue team.
Ano ba yan?
Umuna ng presidente at former president ng PNTV. Nasunod po yung ex-presidente, yung naka-yellow and green. Nasunod na po ang black team. Ex-presidente pala nandyan, yung naka-black. Black team.
A participant of the month of birth 2009 Sport Fest. Do hereby solemnly swear and agree to abide, adhere, and uphold all conditions, agreements, rules, regulations, and provisions which has been set forth by the organizers of this tournament. As a competitor of this game, I hereby swear and agree to play the game in the highest form and standards of discipline and sportsmanship.
siya.
No matter if I win or lose, what counts most is how I conduct myself and play my game in the spirit of belongingness, peace, and community enjoyment with my competitors. I now therefore declare to preserve the tenets and preserve a true sportsman.
May sarili silang laro dun sa bahay. Dahil sila Carlo.
So help me God.